Okay, and then this is number 10 from the homework. The question says 10 m to the -1, n to the -5, and they give you the two values. M is equal to 10 and n is equal to -2. So we have a little bit of figuring to do. So here's my 10, right? And then here's the value for m, which is 10. It still is to the -1, and then the value for n is -2 to the -5. So I'm just expanding this here. 10 over 1 times the inverse of this, because that's what the -1 is. So it's 1 over 10 to the 1 times the inverse of -2 to the 5th. So it's 1 over -2 to the 5th. I didn't even worry at all about the fact that this is negative. I just took this whole amount and then took the inverse of it, which is all this negative right here is telling me to do, and it still keeps its exponent. So it's just, and I should say it like this, it's -2 to the 5th, right? The cool thing is down here, these two cancel each other out because 10 and 10 are the same number. So they're going to cancel to 1. And then all I really have to deal with is this. So it's easier for me to understand what I'm doing when I write the whole thing out. So I went ahead and wrote out -2 times -2, blah, 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 because it's the same thing as this. It's all under 1. And then I'm simply going to figure out whether it's negative or positive, I'm simply going to 2 at a time cancel out a negative. 2 at a time cancel out a negative, and then look, I end up with an odd negative, so I know this whole answer will be negative something, and it's 2 times 2, which is 4, times 2, which is 8, times 2, which is 16, times 2, which is 32. And I just kind of know this sequence from just experience. It's probably better if you actually multiply this out. I just want to go quickly for you. So my final answer is going to be 1 over 32. I hope that helps.